Multi-purpose for cooler warmer, its unique and styling design makes it perfect for heating or cooling canned drinks such as cola, coffee, etc., easy cooling or heating beverages. Please do not seal and heat carbonated drinks. Easy operation, just plug it in socket and turn it on. By pressing switch with different number of times reach the function what you want. Blue indicate cooling, getting ice water in 15 minutes on loading. Red indicate heating, it could keep the highest temperature at 50-55 very stable. Do not drink water drinks in the cup at high temperature to avoid burns. Enjoy your leisure time, heating mode allows your hot drinks to stay at around 55 degrees. Cooling mode can be reduced from 25 degrees to 8 to 12 degrees in about 30 minutes. Whether it is office or home or first choice. Universal voltage worldwide for your travel. AC 110 to 240 V, DC 12 V output. Safety materials, aluminum alloy 3003 plus PP plus ABS. The principle of semiconductor cooling and heating achieves functions such as heating, cooling, heat preservation, and cold preservation. Above the product 30 centimeters, the required decibel value D 43 decibels. Environmental protection, efficient and practical. With certificate FDA, C, RoHS, FCC. Warranty and guarantee, includes Joy Limited 1-year warranty. Let it leads you a beautiful life. Best gift for your family and friend in summer or winter. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.